Hey, today I want to talk about how to use affiliate marketing to make money with Warrior Plus, and I'm going to show you a traffic method. We're going to talk about how to find products in Warrior Plus, how to promote them. So here we are on my YouTube channel, New Internet Wealth. This is one of my newer channels. Just got over 1,000 subscribers, and here's the videos that are on the channel. And we're going to talk about how to use YouTube as a great traffic source for Warrior Plus. Here we are inside my Warrior Plus affiliate account, and what you'll see on here when you log in, it'll take you to this home page, and this is where they have their top products. And so the top selling products in rank order for today. You can also view by yesterday, last 7 days, or last 30 days. Warrior Plus is an affiliate platform where sellers or vendors come on to sell their products. They list them on Warrior Plus with the hope that affiliates will come along and then promote their product for them. It's a win-win. Affiliate marketing is great because it's a win-win for the product seller and the affiliate. The product seller, they make some money by selling the product. They get some buyers for future sales. And then the affiliate is great because they get to make a commission by sending a buyer to make a purchase, but you don't have to have your own product. You don't have to provide support. You don't have to deal with refunds or customer issues. You just recommend a product, and if someone purchases, you make a commission. So a great business model. Here in Warrior Plus, this affiliate platform is really focused on products in the what's called the make money online niche. So how to make money online. If you come into Marketplace and go under categories, you'll see lots of different categories for products in this make money online niche. So here's some, just affiliate marketing type of products, email marketing products, traffic products, PLR, private label rights. Now, maybe you specialize in something else. And these are educational products, I should say, the ones we just talked about. But maybe there's products about certain platforms. Maybe you want to promote products that teach about the Amazon platform or eBay, YouTube, Facebook, etc. Different types of industries. Crypto is big now. E-commerce, doing drop shipping or other e-commerce sales, Shopify. Maybe it's a specific software or services that you want to promote. And so you can go in and you can find specific products for under these different categories. The other way you can find products is go under affiliates and click on offers. And now what's going to come up is all kinds of different affiliate offers that you can then search for by offer, title, or keyword. If you know the vendor name, they come up automatically by Pulse Score. So these are high selling products. You can see they've sold thousands of copies each. If we look at this column right here, the total number of sales. Or you can search by, one thing I look by a lot of times is launch date. So now it's being sorted by date. And again, you can see the number of, this column, the number of sales, the conversion rate. So this one is actually really nice, right? Basically, 1 out of every 3 people that go to this sales page for this product, they buy. Now, they haven't had a lot of sales, but that's a pretty nice conversion rate. The visitor values, which is kind of the earnings per click number, the average sale, and the refund rate. So all good things to look at if you're wanting to promote products from Warrior Plus. Now, how do you, again, make money by promoting products on Warrior Plus? Well, let me pull this up and talk about the sales process. The sales process for affiliate marketing is actually really simple to understand. It can be a little complicated in one part of the process, and we'll talk about that in a little bit. But the process itself is very simple. You need to have a traffic source. You send that traffic via your affiliate link, and then through your affiliate link, they end up at a product sales page. They look at the sales page, they see what it says, and if they like it and decide to make a purchase, then you earn a commission. And so that is the process. You send traffic, you send people through your affiliate link to that product sales page. And since they're coming through your affiliate link, you're going to get credited for that sale if a sale happens, and that's how you earn that commission. Now, this is where most people struggle. They struggle with the traffic, getting people to their affiliate links, because without traffic, none of the rest of this process is going to happen, right? If you don't have people looking at offers through your affiliate link, then there is no way you are going to make a commission. And so this is where most people have a hard time, is how do I get people to my affiliate link so they can see the sales page so I can earn a commission? Well, there's lots of actually different ways to send people to your affiliate link. Typically, it's going to fall under either free traffic or paid traffic. I like free traffic, although it does take more time and effort. The nice thing about it is free, and it can be ongoing. Whereas paid traffic, it can be kind of expensive, to be honest, to test it out and try to get something that works so that you start making more than you're spending on the traffic. So sometimes you lose money for a while before you figure out how to get profitable with paid traffic. And then the other problem with paid traffic is you're only earning money as you're paying for it, right? And so if you stop paying for that traffic, then you're going to stop earning money because you don't have anybody going to your affiliate links. So free traffic is what I like. I think it has a lot better long-term benefit to it. I put up a couple of very common examples of free traffic: YouTube and a blog. There's lots of others. I mean, you could use other types of social media, whether it's Facebook, Pinterest, you can TikTok, other Web 2.0 properties people use as traffic sources. That could be Quora, Reddit, Medium. So there's lots of options. There really isn't. The problem isn't that there aren't lots of options, because there are lots of options, but you do have to put in some work up front, and that is why free traffic does take more work up front. Free traffic tends to be a little slower because there's more work, effort, you have to gain traction, but it can also be evergreen. So, for example, I like YouTube as a traffic source. YouTube is really awesome. And the nice thing about YouTube is then it can be perpetual. It can be ongoing. So you put that video up one time, it gets views, and if you know how to rank that video properly for the keywords, which then keeps it at the top of YouTube, as people search for those keywords, your video is going to continue to be seen, viewed, and a certain percent of people are going to click through, and you earn affiliate commissions from that YouTube traffic. Now, you can also earn AdSense revenue, okay? Now, that tends to be actually less than what you usually are going to earn. Affiliate commissions are actually your best earning source, but you can make several hundred, if not several $1,000s a month in AdSense revenue as well. And so I look at YouTube, really, it's great because it's very similar to like a singer, songwriter, an actor, etc., where an author, they either they record that song one time, they write that book one time, they act in that movie one time, but then they get paid royalties ongoing every time that song is played on the radio, or somebody buys that song, every time somebody buys that book, every time somebody watches that movie. They earn. So they did the work one time, but they continue to earn. And that's the beauty of YouTube as well. And a blog is the same way, or using those other free traffic resources are all similar. And so this is really what it comes down to. You just got to get your free traffic set up, get your affiliate link. Today we're talking about finding products on Warrior Plus. There's lots of other affiliate platforms as well. But if you're in the make money online niche, Warrior Plus is a really good place to start. Find some quality products, get approved, insert your affiliate link into your traffic source, and get people to the sales page and make a commission. So I hope that helps. Certainly give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Please subscribe so you can get more content. Leave me a comment below if you'd like more information or if you have any questions. And thanks so much for watching.